Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to upload guys download wallpaper guys. How can we apply in our Samsung phone? Friends, you have your download wallpaper and once you want to set your download wallpaper in your Samsung phone, so how can you set and guys how can you apply guys your download wallpaper in your Samsung mobile? Today I will show you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like my video. First of all guys, open your phone setting and guys scroll it. Friends, you can see your phone wallpaper setting. Friends, tap here. Let's click on guys your my wallpaper setting, and friends you can see your download wallpaper setting. Guys, tap here. So every wallpaper guys you have download in your Samsung phone and guys you want to apply in your Samsung mobile, how can you apply? So example for guys, we will take any wallpaper. So guys we will click on guys this one wallpaper, guys flower one wallpaper, and we will guys you want to apply home screen lock in, it's your choice. I will apply guys both of wallpaper, home and lock screen, and I will tap here to apply, means download wallpaper will set in our Samsung mobile guys, you can see. So you can check friends. So like that guys you can apply your download wallpaper in your Samsung phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.